How to delete Telegram X account permanently. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can delete Telegram X account permanently, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to launch the Telegram X application on your device, and then once you've launched that, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. So on this page, you can see your different charts, right? And then once you can see that, the next step would be to go to the top left corner and click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. Then after doing that, you can see a page being displayed where you can see options like contacts, calls, saved messages, settings, invite friends, help, night mode. Just go ahead and select settings. After selecting settings, on the settings page, you can see your name, you can see your username and all. Then the next step would be to scroll down and then select privacy and security. All right. So privacy and security. After selecting that, on the privacy and securities page, you can see different options. So you just scroll down to the last part of the page where you can now see delete my account now in red. All right, so once you can see that, just click on it. All right, so after clicking on it, you'll be asked if you're sure that you would like to delete your account. Select yes, and your account would be permanently deleted. All right, and you must keep it in mind that this action is irreversible and all your data would be removed from Telegram servers. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching and have a good day.